So whenever mommy is filming, what does mommy say? Mommy says, "Hello guys, you're welcome again to my channel. My name is."
Hello guys, welcome to my mommy's channel. My name is
Hello guys, it's Vlogmas Day 3 and you can see it's dragging with me. Not your present. Can you drop it? Hello and welcome again to Vlogmas Day 3. Today is Sunday and this is a day in my life as a mom of 2 active boys. So today I'll be showing you how I soak my fruit cake. I hope these children allow me to do that. If I can't film that video today, then I'll film it for tomorrow's Vlogmas. I don't know if my children would allow me have the time to do all I have to do today. I have an update for my channel. Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. This is the real me. This is a day in my life. This is how my Sunday goes. It's supposed to be my resting day, but I'm here with my children. God. So right now I need to take them away so that I can film. I'm about to film a video on how I soak my fruit for the Christmas fruit cake, and I'm also going to make a Christmas fruit cake recipe video and put it up for you all to make for your family and friends. So it's not been easy filming, editing and uploading videos every day for Vlogmas, but then I already joined the challenge and I'm going to keep up. I can do it, and I can do it with your help. So keep coming up to watch the videos. So I have a little update about my channel. I'd like to ask what you think. I want to change the name of my channel from Cakes by Ife to probably my name, maybe Ifelua or IfePinkies or IfePinkies TV. Please let me know in the comment section what name you think will suit my channel. As you all know, I'm a woman of many talents and it won't be nice for me to box myself with the name Cakes by Ife, since everything I'll be dropping on this channel won't be about just baking recipes. If you haven't seen my Vlogmas Day 3 video on my diastasis recti journey, how I went from 5 fingers to 3 fingers within a short period of time, my weight loss journey, my workout routine, it is a very educational one and it will be helpful for you and your loved ones in case you know anyone who is suffering from weight gain as a result of pregnancy and motherhood or as a result of diastasis recti. I've been getting a lot of questions on what Vlogmas is. I feel like a lot of my subscribers are wondering what is Vlogmas, what is Vlogmas. Basically, Vlogmas is a 25 days YouTube video challenge where you post from the 1st to the 25th of December every day on your channel. You can post anything from tutorials to a day in your life or a summary of how your day went, and you upload it every day. I can't do this without you, so please join me every evening. My videos will be on here. Just watch, like, subscribe and comment, and feel free to share with your loved ones. So actually my first son has been pleading in the background that he wants to say hello to every one of you. I'll bring him on shortly. I'm about to film a video on how I soak my fruit for the Christmas fruit cake, and I'm also going to make a Christmas fruit cake recipe video and put it up for you all to make for your family and friends. If you're a mom and a career woman or a business woman, share with me in the comment section how you've been able to balance motherhood with work or business. Let me know how you've been able to wing it so far, because in this motherhood journey we learn on the job. I would really love to hear from you. If you watched my Vlogmas Day 1, the grocery shopping and the bakery supply store, if you watched that video, I'm sure you saw me when I went to get this budget-friendly alcohol for soaking of the fruits. I have this other one which is a little pricey. I'll be telling you about the difference between the two of them. They have different strengths, and in the video I'll explain that to you. If you haven't seen my previous Vlogmas videos from day 1 to day 3, please go check it out because there's so many vital informations in those videos. And I'll see you in my Vlogmas Day 5 video showing you how to soak your fruits for your Christmas fruit cake. Please subscribe, like this video and drop it. Please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you. Please like this video. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys. You can cut.